Morning! Today is phonics again, and we've got a new sound of the day. A new sound. It's two letters that make one sound, one phoneme, one sound button. When an O and a W go together, they make the sound ow. It's like hurting your finger. Ow, ow, ow. Have a go. Ow, ow. Tell an adult who's with you what sound this is. Ow. Have a go at writing it. Ow. Okay, so we're going to write some. I haven't got any cards today to blend them, so I'm going to have to write the words today. Okay, let's blend it. Oh, can you remember what this sound button is? Ow. 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 How? Well done. Okay, the next one. Remember this sound button? Let's go. K, ow, k, ow, cow. Well done. Put the sound buttons in. Okay. G, r, ow, l. G, r, ow, l. Growl. Well done. And the last one we're going to do is see if you can blend it. And again. Zoom through it. Let's do it together. Ow, l. Ow, l. Howl. Okay. So let's give you some words. Okay, so we're going to do town, 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 town. Let's stretch it. Town, town. What's the first sound? What's the next sound? What's the last sound? Should we do it together? T, ow, n. T, ow, n. Town. Have a go at writing it. T, ow, n. Town. Okay. And the next one we're going to do is crown, 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 crown. Let's stretch it. Crown, crown. Listen to the beginning of the letter of the word crown. It's a k and a r together. K, r, ow, n. K, r, ow, n. Crown. Off you go. You write it. Ow, n. Crown. And your sentence for today is: the owl had a crown in the town. The owl had a crown in the town. The owl had a crown in the town. Off you go, you write it. I look forward to seeing it soon. Bye.